Embroider Buddy has the perfect big ear bunny for any occasion, but right now I think people have Easter on the mind. So the embroiderable area that we have to embroider on is 9 by 4. I love that. We have such a big area to monogram on, and it goes completely flat so that we can get it onto the machine so easy. I'm going to show you how to do that, but I wanted to show you these colors because I am in love with this lilac. They have the pink, the silver, and also the cream. So let's monogram 2 of these today. So I already have the blush one hooped, and I'm going to show you how I hooped it on the lilac one. I used 1 piece of tearaway on the back, and I used some water soluble on the top. You have 9 inches this way and 4 inches this way. So I just found my center and I marked it with some blue colored chalk. So to do the lilac one, let me show you how I did it. I laid it on its side like this. Now I am doing the left ear. The left ear, what you're going to do is you're going to let the first letter of the name start here, and it's going to read out. So since we're doing the left ear, I'm just going to lay the bunny here on the table on his side. And then I'm going to take my tearaway, put it underneath the ear, then take my water soluble. Catch your water soluble in the hoop instead of putting it on top. It just makes it so much easier. Now I'm going to put my ring underneath. I'm just using my basic 15 centimeter 5.9 inch hoop that came with my machine, and I'm going to hoop it in a direction so that when I get it to the machine, I'm just going to be able to flip the design so that it will sew it out in that particular direction. Now, my hoop has a mark on it right here. So what I'm doing is I'm lining that up with the tip of the ear, making that hit the center of the ear. And so it's so simple, just goes right in like that. And so now it's ready for the machine. If you would like to promote these bunnies to your customer, the price point is less than $20 for the customer. I'm going to charge $15 in addition to that for the monogram. So if you want to become a retailer for Embroider Buddy, please go to the link below. The color that I chose was 1818 by Madeira. I think it is the perfect match for the bunny to put on the ear. So we're going to put Rosie on this ear. Okay, Rosie's finished. Came out great. Let's do the lilac bunny, and we're going to use 1630 Lilac Purple by Madeira. So we're just going to slip it on and trace it out, make sure it's exactly where we want it to be, and we're ready to go. So when you order your bunnies, make some cute displays because customers sometimes can't picture just how great it could be. So you kind of have to show them that. You see it all the time. So you can, of course, picture things, how cute they are when they're embroidered, but make some samples and they'll be irresistible to your customers.